I'm Evan Smith, and if you plan to modify your 99 to 04 Mustang or SVT Cobra, be sure to check out this adjustable transmission crossmember from Stifflers Chassis and Suspension. The crossmember has a ton of great features. It's strong, compact, and it's really lightweight. It's supplied with polyurethane bushings which give you a firm positive shift, and it also allows you more exhaust clearance than with the stock crossmember. It's also a direct fit, so it bolts right into your Mustang with no fabrication required. And it also allows you to set the engine back if you have an aftermarket K-member. Thanks to its adjustability, the crossmember is designed to work with a wide variety of transmissions, from popular stick to many automatic versions. But for a complete list, be sure to check out buystiflers.com. If modding your 99 to 04 Mustang includes a transmission swap, this kit is for you. To learn more about Stifflers components, check out buystiflers.com.